Elon Musk has sold $19 billion worth of Tesla stock this year alone. The last $4 billion sale was to complete his Twitter acquisition. With over $70 billion lost on his net worth and a 52% TSLA decline since the beginning of 2022, plus a dwindling portfolio, the question on everyone's mind is, will he buy Dogecoin and Ethereum for his portfolio? We will find out soon. Let us begin. Elon Musk dumped $19.5 million in Tesla shares at the start of November. These stock holdings were worth $3.95 billion. The news came per the filings submitted to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on the transfer. This sale is allegedly to complete his Twitter deal, which he mostly supported with his stake in his electric vehicle company. As Musk has disposed of close to $4 billion in stock holdings, it sums up to about $19 billion worth of Tesla stock that Elon Musk has sold. The figure was close to his $21 billion worth of Tesla stock last year. Hopefully, the $4 billion sell-off is the final installment in funding his Twitter acquisition. This is because when the news broke on November 8, 2022, Tesla stock came under intense pressure. The stock fell by 3% instantly. Thus, Musk also lost over $6 billion in his network. What he has lost in Tesla stock, he might have gained in his social media company. However, Elon and his investors have to ward off the fear that Republicans clinging closely in the midterms could cause him to lose subsidies, despite vowing to vote Republican. As of November 14, he has regained some power back, riding along $199.8 billion and maintaining his lead ahead of Jeff Bezos, who is worth $124.1 billion. Tesla stock has also moved from $191.70 to $193.98, still below the $200 level. In fact, Tesla stock has faced a harsh market all year. When Elon Musk offered $44 billion to purchase Twitter in April, the stock met a massive shakedown. The SpaceX CEO lost over $70 billion of his total net worth to the news, which people thought was money down the drain. Elon Musk himself has stated that he has overpaid for the social media company, although he sees long-term potential. For instance, he is rumored to be developing a crypto wallet prototype to integrate into Twitter. He has also confirmed that his company has filed the paperwork with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, of the Treasury Department to make Twitter a legal payment platform. This means it can receive payments. The social media company was bought with Musk's capital and support from other investors like Saudi Arabia's Prince Al-Walid bin Talal bin Abdulaziz, Binance, and Andreessen Horowitz. Of course, his long-term friend, Jack Dorsey, did not sell his stock in Twitter and has maintained some control at the board level. Nevertheless, investors are worried that the midterm elections, which polls predicted would favor mostly Republicans, could jeopardize the future of clean energy policies President Biden issued. These policies have aided Tesla and other electric vehicle makers, especially during tough times like the supply bottlenecks at the start of the year. As we all know, former President Trump denies that global warming exists. Should all things fail with this new endeavor, Musk has something to look up to. His influence in cryptocurrency is unprecedented, and he can continue to raise or crash prices as he pleases. Later, we will talk about what we know for sure between Musk, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. Meanwhile, on August 25, when Tesla did a 3-for-1 stock split, the market closed on TSLA at $891. That meant one stock cost $297 when the market opened the next day. Still, the stock has suffocated by a mighty 52% since the beginning of the year compared to NASDAQ falling 33%. Television presenter Jim Cramer said on CNBC's Mad Money Lightning Round that Tesla has the worst chart I've ever seen, and that's what's driving things. What do you think? Is Tesla the worst stock out there? Subscribe to find what we believe the future holds for Doge, Twitter, and Tesla. Now it is struggling to maintain a $200 rate due to the activities of Elon Musk and his Twitter acquisition. Somehow, there is speculation that he might acquire Ethereum and Dogecoin to supplement his portfolio should Twitter end badly. We have all seen the criticisms of Musk's intent to fire over 95% of the staff without just cause, and the new things Twitter is trying, like paying $8 for a verification, which ended up being the worst impersonation party on the app, that could absolutely ruin the app for most people. Should these be the last days of Twitter and Musk's $44 billion, he would surely need some crypto magic to save his portfolio. However, these are all speculations based entirely on assumptions. At this point, the only thing for sure is that should Musk sell his Doge, hell will break loose. Should he buy more, prices could hit $1 for the first time ever. If you should sell, hold, or buy Tesla stock, we have words from the CEO himself. In our previous video, we shared an inviting perspective of Elon Musk asking you to ignore the noise. Your Tesla stock will keep on growing. Tesla stock news.